Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryers, Ninja Max XL and Gourmia air fryer oven. We'll evaluate their features and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Both Ninja Max XL and Gourmia air fryer oven deliver exceptional air frying capabilities with little to no oil. However, Ninja Max XL uses Max Crisp technology to deliver hotter and crispier results. On the other hand, Gourmia air fryer oven uses fat removal technology to remove up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. So, if you're looking for a guilt-free treat, Gourmia air fryer oven is the way to go. Gourmia air fryer oven offers a 30% larger cooking capacity of 8 quarts, making it an ideal choice for larger families. However, Ninja Max XL has a 5.5 quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate, which can fit 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. So, if you're cooking for a smaller family, Ninja Max XL is a great option. Ninja Max XL offers 7 versatile cooking programs: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. In contrast, Gourmia air fryer oven offers 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results for French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toaster, reheat, and keep warm. So if you're looking for more cooking options, go with Gourmia air fryer oven. Both air fryers are easy to clean. However, Ninja Max XL has a non-stick dishwasher-safe ceramic basket, while Gourmia air fryer oven's accessories go straight into the dishwasher for cleaning. So, if you're looking for an easy and quick cleaning option, go with Gourmia air fryer oven. Ninja Max XL air fryer costs $149, while Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $92. Gourmia air fryer oven provides a better value for money for larger families, with its bigger cooking capacity and comprehensive warranty. That's all for our comparison of Ninja Max XL and Gourmia air fryer oven. We hope this video helped you choose the right air fryer for your needs. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such comparisons and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.